Hi, this is Tremor at Botany, and I'm super excited today because this is the start of this video blog about wine, but with a different approach as usual. It is a holistic approach, which means that you take an ensemble composed with various parts, but those parts interact with each other instead of looking at the parts separately. What I mean, for instance, with wine is if you take the basic definition of wine, that's fermented grape juice. And we have the grapes and we have the fermentation. So that means, first of all, the grapes, they are coming from the vine, of course. The vine is a plant, and we will talk a lot about the botany of the vine, so understanding better what it is about, what all the grape varieties are about. So that's already one thing, the plant. But a plant grows in an environment. And today, of course, we are much aware of all the environmental issues. So the plant grows in an environment composed of climate, soil, water, etc. So we will see how they interact and how they can even affect actually the taste of wine. The other component is, of course, the human intervention, because people need to cultivate the vine and to make the vine from the grapes they are harvesting. And for this, of course, we have lots of various types of viticulture, which means the cultivation of the vine in the vineyard, in opposition to viniculture, which is the making of the vine in the cellar. But in both aspects, we have a tendency to use lots of chemicals, involved in lots of practices to protect the vine from pests and diseases, or even sometimes to increase the production, unfortunately. But as well in the cellar, there are authorized dozens of chemicals, to be used as additives to change the taste, to maintain the fermentation, etc., etc. And today we have lots and lots of confusion about the terms like organic, biodynamics, natural wine, viticulture, sustainable, etc. So we will clarify a lot all those things, because the use of chemicals is, of course, harmful for the environment, but as well for the people who work in the vineyard or in the cellar, and for our health as well. So we will be looking at the news, some research, what happens in that field. But of course, wine is about being enjoyed, and I will talk a lot as well about what I call the lifestyle. It's more about the culture, the tradition, where the producers are from, their countries, travel, some tourism as well. And that's part of what we call the terroir, all the components, and environmental and human factors that affect the taste of a product from its geographical location. And we will taste some wine. I will illustrate most of the episodes with some wine I will choose in order to illustrate what I will talk about. So thanks for watching, and drink wisely. Cheers.